Hey everyone, it's Jen. I wanted to do an unboxing of the February Planner Society kits. It is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start on with the add-on kits. So here is the Washi Tape Society kit. You have these florals and vases, and then this really pretty mustard like chevron print, and then this really pretty pink floral. I love those. This is the Sticker Society kit. There are these headers and words and flags, some heart checklists and some more headers. Some of these heart circles and flags and some flowers, and then some appointment labels, days of the week, and then some flags and bows. Box Sticker Society kit. These are all cut so that they can fit and fold into your TN. We have the deco sheet and then some headers and some icons. And we have half boxes, quarter boxes, and washi strips. These are the full boxes. I just love the teacups and the flowers. They're so pretty. And here's some full box checklists. In the main kit, there is a pencil case. So this is what the pencil case looks like. You have a mesh compartment here on the side. You can put your pens on this flap over here and then put your other tools and pens in there. These two, A and B side. And then we have these two. And then we have these two. They're so pretty. One sheet of vellum. There's this pink acetate right there. Here's the washi. The stamp is so adorable this month. I just love it. Sticky notes. This is the pen. I love that. Paper clips. These little clips that go on the top of your planner. And I love these. I'm so obsessed with these. She also brought back the wood words. I am so excited for these tabs because look at the color of the labels. I just love that color. It's a really pretty like coral, bright pink color. It's so pretty. And then she also brought back these laser cut pockets, and they're in different colors. There's this really subtle pink salmon color. Here's this pocket right here, and it's diagonal. And then this white pocket. These huge die cut cups, stack of books, bows, more cups, and then it's basically the same pattern but in a bigger size. I love these. They're so thick and sturdy. And I love that you don't have to laminate them. And then here are the die cuts. I'm obsessed with this 3-tier tray because it looks exactly like my 3-tier tray. And I just love that. Teacup, and then I love these tags. They're so cool. And then it has silver foil on them. Love those. So that is the kit. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.